Hey everyone, it's Chandler from Damage Darts, and welcome back to part 2 of converting the Nerf Longshot into the Destiny Warhorse Shotgun. Coming up. Alright, here's the internals of the gun. Here I've got a mess all over the floor of all these pieces that I'm putting together. I've got the computer here for putting in the orange modwork stuff. So I got the Unleashed Solid Longshot Stage 1 and 2 kit. So Stage 1 kit was the spring inside, the catch ring, the spring that went with that, and another spring ring here, I can't remember what you call it in the back here, and then the larger kilogram spring itself. I got a 10 kilogram spring for this, and I also put all the basic parts in here. This piece right here is just a lock, so you guys can take that out. It will be like right here on this little barrel area, so just throw that. And then there's another piece that should be where the trigger is. It goes right there. Take that out. It's got like 3 ridges on it there. That's the trigger lock, so you don't need that piece either. So here's the basic internals of this. Now let me take the camera off the tripod so you guys can see a little better here. It's kind of fuzzy, but if you guys just look up how the internals go in a Longshot on Google, I'm sure you can find a couple reference photos on there. I took a couple on my phone just in case I forgot where all the pieces were. So here's the internals, and once I get that done, I will show how I put the worker mod pieces on the outside, and then we can go from there and move on to the test fire to see how it shoots. Alright, I've got that piece installed down here. You can see right there. And the other side. And then next you want to take the pump grip here, and it goes on the inside here, and then you get these screws that are provided with it, which I think are these short fat ones, and screw them from the outside in, and then you can do that on both sides. And then once you're done with that, this piece right here screws in, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, so once you have that done, you take this piece. I don't know if you really need these spacers, but I put them on just to see what it would do. So let's try to put these together here correctly. Alright, that should slide through there like that. Sorry, I'm kind of off camera here. And then this should go on this side. Slide that on. Goes right here. Looks like it's a little off. There we go. Together. And then grab the other spacer here. Actually, I am wrong. It actually goes on the inside, so forget what I said before. It needs to be on the inside and not the outside. Alright, so this is how it should look. Here's the outer knob. I don't know what you want to call it. And then the spacer goes on the inside right here. So here's the outer knob, the rod here, and then the spacer goes on the inside. So when you stick it in, that space is covered with that. And then you want to line it up right here on this gun. Sometimes it's kind of finicky, which is being kind of finicky right now. I got it on earlier, but it's being, okay, there we go. It's kind of retarded. There. Flip it over. Get the spacer on here. Tighten that up a bit. Put this on, line it up down here with the other half. Alright, and then put the knob on. We're almost good to go, because then afterwards we'll have to put 3 more screws in there. Okay, and for these screws, they gave me like a bag full of random screws here, so it's like whichever one works. Actually, no, I think that's one of the Nerf screws that I already had. Alright, so there is the pump. It's a little bit hard to do right there, but it looks like that these could be tightened a little better, and it's kind of wonky on here, just a little bit. There we go. So make sure you have it tightened all the way. And now to get the ButtStock on. This is a non-adjustable ButtStock, so it goes on the very end here and just screws on after you line it up there. So it's kind of lame that you can't adjust it, but it still looks cool on the gun. So
here's the demonstration of the Nerf Destiny Warhorse shotgun. I'm using the 12-round worker mag and little Valentine darts inside of it, so here it goes. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of converting the Nerf Longshot into the Destiny Warhorse shotgun. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider doing so by clicking on the icon here. Also click on the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Damaged Darts, signing off.